Hey guys, just wanted to say hi, and I guess wish you Merry Christmas. But all that to also show you that I came ice fishing, and wow, what an experience! Actually, in the back here is that shed where you can actually sit in, and then you drill a hole in the ice, and then you fish. But crazy is the fact that we have a car right beside here. And then the rest of this whole place, it's actually a frozen lake. I'm standing on frozen lake. So I guess I can walk on water. I could say that. Anyways, just wanted to share this with you guys. Again, Merry Christmas. Hope all's well.